Well, that has been studied. There's an MIT study and some others that show that $15 an hour is a good average across the country. I mean, certainly in Boston, you probably need more to really have a living wage. But we're, saying that 15 should be the minimum nationwide, and maybe in some cities it would be higher.
Well, I've been working with some dear friends who have struggled year-round for the cause of workers in this city and around the country to try and find a way to bring attention to it without a lot of speeches, without a lot of words, but music that really reaches out to people.
I strongly feel that, 15 is a pretty decent amount for the cost of living around here, because $8 you can't really get by with $8. Yeah, energy is there. I like it.